Good morning, children. So today we are going to do a new lesson, a poem, The School Boy. It is an interesting poem. The theme of the poem is the life of a school-going boy. The poem highlights the boredom of the classroom. Now, this small boy in the poem is bored inside the classroom. He does not want to remain in the classroom. The children are confined in the classroom when they wish to be out. So when they feel like going out, they have to remain inside the classroom, that too sitting under the eyes of the cruel headmaster. They wish to be out exploring the beauty of nature, but they cannot do that. The boy longs for the freedom to go out. He is not interested in his books. He longs to go out and play. The small children love playing outside. He cannot take delight in his books. He is not interested in his books. Look at his expression there, children. He questions, how can the bird that is born for joy sit in a cage and sing? Look at the picture of the bird there. It is locked inside a cage. You think that bird will be happy there in the cage? No, never. God has created birds to fly in the open sky. You have to leave them in the open sky. Only then they will be happy. So the boy's condition is like that of a bird in a cage. The freedom of the bird is curtailed. The boy also feels the same. When he wishes to go out, he cannot. So he feels that his freedom is curtailed. He poses a question to his father and mother. So this small boy asks his father and mother, if a young child is burdened with sorrow, worries and dismay, that is not happy, then how will he learn? Will learning take place? No. That is what he feels. A child has to run around, play, be happy all the time. Only then he can concentrate in his studies. Children, look at the expression of the boy. He's so unhappy. Okay, children, now let's have a look at the moral brief. Waking up early. Getting up early is a good habit. Yes, there's no doubt about it. You can feel fresh and energetic throughout the day. So, waking up early is a very good habit. Try to inculcate this habit of waking up early in the morning. Liveliness of nature. The chirping of birds and the freshness of nature gives a sense of liveliness. Yes, you enjoy the beauty of nature. Go out in the open. Explore nature. Children are very fond of exploring nature. Look forward. School is fun. Look forward to school to enjoy each day and learn something new. Yes, you must take interest in all that you do. Childhood. Childhood is the best time of one's life. We must ensure that we make the most of it. Stay happy and liberated. Yes, your freedom should never be curtailed. Okay, children, watch this video. The school boy.
The school boy in the poem is not a happy child. What makes him unhappy? Why does he compare himself to a bird that lives in a cage or a plant that withers when it should blossom? I love to rise in the summer morn, where the birds sing on every tree. The distant huntsman winds his horn, and the skylark sings with me. Oh, what sweet company! But to go to school in a summer morn, oh, it drives all joy away. Under a cruel eye outworn, the little ones spend the day in sign and dismay. Ah, then at times I drooping sit and spend many an nor in my book can I take delight, nor sit in learning's flower, worn through with the dreary shower. How can a bird that is born for joy sit in a cage and sing? How can a child when fears are not, but droop his tender wing and forget his youthful spring? Oh father and mother, if buds are knit and blossoms blown away, and if the tender plants are stripped of their joy in the spring day by sorrow and care's dismay, how shall the summer arise in joy, or the summer fruits appear? By William Blake.
Okay children, here are some activities for you. Activity 1. What's a kid's poll? I'll give you some hints for that. Kids have to vote, okay? Now you have to conduct a poll about different aspects of class. Whether you like staying inside the classroom, studying, doing your classwork, listening to the teacher, or you like going out and playing, enjoying with your friends, you like that kind of freedom. So you have to prepare a report to present it to your class teacher. This is the first activity. Now we move on to the next activity, okay? Speech competition topic. You prepare a speech on this topic, okay? Write it in your notebook. How to make school an interesting and enjoyable place. So what's the topic for speech? How to make school an interesting and enjoyable place. So you have to write down this. Now the third activity for you, okay? Collect pictures from magazines, newspapers, or different types of schools. A village school where children are sitting on the floor, another school where they are sitting at long desks, an outdoor lesson under a tree. So there are different types of schools, and what you have to do, you have to collect pictures from magazines, newspapers, etc. of different types of schools. Okay children, that's all for this session. Read the poem at least twice, underline all the difficult words, look up the meanings in your dictionary, write down in your notebook, and don't forget to complete the 3 activities. That's all for this session. Thank you. Goodbye.